Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of Chrism oil and its incredible wound healing properties. Chrism oil is an ancient blend of olive oil, cannabis extract, cassia, myrrh and cinnamon. This powerhouse combination fights infection, reduces inflammation and promotes tissue repair. Let's break it down. First up, olive oil. It's not just for your salad. Olive oil moisturizes, reduces inflammation and acts as a mild antimicrobial agent. This helps wounds heal faster and stay infection-free. Next, let's talk cannabis extract, especially CBD. CBD is a champion at soothing inflammation and reducing oxidative stress. It also has antimicrobial properties, keeping your wounds clean and on the path to healing. Now, cassia and cinnamon. These spices are more than just kitchen staples. They bring strong antimicrobial effects, fighting off bacteria and fungi. Cinnamon even boosts circulation, speeding up recovery. And finally, myrrh. Used for centuries to treat wounds, myrrh's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties soothe irritated skin and promote new tissue growth. Together, these ingredients create a healing synergy. They prevent infection, reduce inflammation, and support tissue repair. Chrism oil is a potent remedy rooted in ancient wisdom and backed by modern science. Before you rush to try this at home, remember to consult a healthcare professional, especially for open or severe wounds, and always perform a patch test to avoid skin irritation. For deeper insights, check out the book on Amazon. Discover how this ancient remedy is making waves in modern healthcare. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time. #healing, #wound healing, #cannabis, #Chrism oil, #natural medicine, #spiritual healing.